Get ready for VidCon 2026. If you're serious about creating viral content, your gear can make all the difference, and we've got the ultimate creator starter pack for 2025 that will have you prepped for next year's biggest meetup. Make sure to check the description below for links to grab these must-have content creation essentials before VidCon hits. Forget just your iPhone and MacBook. Real pros rely on these 5 powerful tools to truly elevate their work. We've uncovered the absolute best essentials that top creators swear by for filming, editing, and everything in between. Number 1. The Rode Wireless Go 2 Microphone. This game-changing audio solution ensures your voice cuts through any crowd noise, delivering crystal clear sound that truly elevates your YouTube videos. Number 2. The versatile Joby GorillaPod 3K Tripod. Its flexible legs let you mount your camera anywhere, from precarious ledges to standard desks, opening up incredible shot possibilities. Number 3. The Aputure MC Portable LED Light. Good lighting is non-negotiable for professional-looking content, and this tiny but mighty light offers full RGB control, fitting perfectly into any bag for on-the-go illumination. Number 4. The Samsung T7 Shield Portable SSD. Editing high-resolution video demands fast storage, and this rugged solid-state drive keeps your workflow smooth and secure. Number 5. The Sony ZV-1F Compact Vlogging Camera. Designed specifically for content creators, this camera offers stunning 4K video, excellent autofocus, and a user-friendly interface. These aren't just gadgets, they're the secret weapons pros use to captivate audiences and produce high-quality content. Investing in these essential content creation tools now for 2025 will dramatically boost your VidCon 2026 experience and your overall creator journey. Don't miss out, upgrade your creator kit today and become unstoppable.